Nice.
Dude, let's go.
Oh my goodness.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Untamed Outdoorsmen. And today I just wanted to come on here and say thank you for all the success we had in the 2023 fishing season. We received a ton of support from you guys across all the fishing videos. This year was by far the best year that we've had for fishing. It's our 4th year making kayak videos, and this was by far the best one. We managed to fish so many different days, and we had a ton of different videos with so many different fishing ponds in southern New England. So I just wanted to come on here and say a huge thank you for all that support. 2024 is going to be just a whole nother step above. We did a lot in 2023, but 2024 is going to be even better because we're going to be doing tournaments. We're going to be really expanding what we can do on the channel there. So I'm really excited. And today I have a special 2023 fishing season best moments montage that I'm going to be playing right after I finish talking here. So again, thank you so much for all your support and enjoy the montage.
Nice. Nice. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Saw the line move. Big fish. Oh my God. Net fish. Keep him down. Keep him down. Oh my God. Get out of here, bro. No. Holy. Oh my God, you've got to be kidding me. 2.66. 2.6. Well, the Senko's a pretty realistic chance. I'm on the lipless. Yeah! Oh, it's a good one too. Look at that.
That's what I was. I hate you. I hate you. I legitimately hate you. Yeah, I can tell. I saw it jump. No, it's a bass. For sure.
Please be a bass. Yep, it's a bass. On the lipless. Good fish on the lipless. There we go. That might be a smallie. Spawning bass. Ah, it's a largie. Good, nice largie though. Beautiful largie. All right, fish number 2. Right on a bed. So that's 2 fish on the Bass Pro Shop Senko. I can get another one over there. Yeah, number 2. This one's a decent one too. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one too. That is a nice fish. That's a nice fish. This is a net. This guy's a net fish. Oh, that's got to be a 2-pounder. At least, probably closer to a 3-pounder. Oh yeah, dude. Get out of the way. Yeah. Biggest one so far, without a doubt. Second cast in there, second fish.
My drag's not even set. God, he choked it. I didn't even set my drag, threw my rod in the water. Dude, look at that. Right on the frog. Boom ski. Thank you, buddy.
Yeah. Come on. A good one, too. Yep. Might be a pickerel. This might be a net, too. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. No, it's a bass. Oh, yeah, it's a good one, too. Good bass. There we go. There we go. There we go. Fish on. Good one, too. Oh, yeah, he's got some fight in him. Yeah, we're on. Sweet. Only first fish on of the day. Yes. Let's go. Hyped up. Nice little 1.5 pounder, maybe 2 pounder. Sweet. I'm on, bros. Good one too, bros. Yep. Oh yeah. Holy sh**. Oh, Bruce. Yeah. Oh my God. Yes. Oh, I'm on. Good one. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Not a monster, but a good one. All right, one in the books here. All right, I guess the buzzbait's gonna work. Oh yeah. There it is. Yep. He just wasn't gonna strike on the top anymore. He's all right. Probably a pound. Oh. I got another one. This one's a little better. Oh yeah. Number 2. Another one. This is the best one so far. He's burying himself. Top water. Oh my God, this day is amazing. That's a toad. That's not a toad. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm killing it on this thing. Oh my God, that's a unit. That is a unit. Oh no. Oh my God. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my God, I'm all wet. Oh my God. Another unit. That is a unit. Oh my God. What a toad. Oh my goodness. That's at least a 3-pounder right there. Oh my God. This 6-inch trace is killing it. I'm on. Yep, I'm on. On the chatterbait. Yeah, it's a bass. It's a biggin. It's a unit. At least.
Oh, I'm on. I don't know. It's shaking. Oh yeah, dude, it's huge. It's huge. Come here, buddy. Oh, come here. I don't want to break my rod.
Oh my God.
Dude, I think this thing, guys, are you looking at this? Dude.
Nice.
Dude, let's go.
Both 2-pounders. Both 2-pounders. Oh my goodness. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, I'm on. Biggin. Oh my God. This is a unit. No, it's a bass. This is big. Whatever it is, it's big. No, it's big. I don't know what it is, but it's big. And it's fighting me. Yep. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, Pete. This might be my PB. Whole Pete. 3.7. 3.7. I'm on. It's a good one, Bruce. Oh my God, it's a good one. This is a net. It's a net fish. Oh my God. Oh my God, Bruce. Bruce, I gotta, this might be my PB. I may. Oh my God, it's a tank. It's a tank. Oh my God!
All right. Okay. You want to look at the camera? Look at these go. Let him get his bearings again.
There you go. Scared me. Come on. There we go. This is a decent fish too. Bros! There we go. Oh yeah. Might be a pickle. It's fighting like one. Oh no, it's on his best. Nice, baby. Nice. If you guys can't see that, I'm sorry. It's just the rain. Bros! Nice fish. Probably a solid pound. Maybe a little bit more, actually. Might be... This fish has some chunk to him. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Good fish. Here we go. Nice release. I'm on. It's a lipless, on a lipless crank. It's an alright one. There we go. Little guy. There it is. That's the best one so far today. Yep, 6-inch too, bigger one. It's a good fish. Oh yeah.
Fell off in the net.
Yeah, it fell off in the net.
Wow.
Yeah. Nice fish. Yeah, good one. I'm on. So the bass want the soft plastics.